Hey everyone! Welcome to this quick guide on how to use Raydium. First, you'll need a Solana-compatible wallet like Phantom. Install it as a browser extension or mobile app. Then create a new wallet and securely back up your 12-word recovery phrase. Next, fund your wallet with SOL tokens from an exchange like Binance. These are needed to pay for transaction fees. Now, go to the official Raydium website and tap Connect Wallet. Choose your wallet, like Phantom, and approve the connection request. Once connected, you can start using Raydium's features. To swap tokens, go to the Swap tab, select the tokens you want to exchange, enter the amount, and check the estimated price, fees, and slippage. Then confirm the swap in your wallet. You can also provide liquidity in the pools or farm section. Choose a liquidity pool, contribute equal value of the two tokens, and you'll receive LP tokens. Stake these LP tokens in the farm section to earn a share of trading fees as rewards. For advanced trading, Raydium also allows limit orders, where you can buy or sell tokens at a specific price. Finally, check the portfolio page to view your unclaimed funds from Accelerator and claim them easily. And that's it. With your wallet connected, you can swap tokens, provide liquidity, stake LP tokens, and explore Raydium's full features.